I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Okay guys, so we are going to flash the device. I am going to show you exactly how to do so, and do this at your own risk. If you have a faulty firmware system, meaning the Android system, you will need to flash your device, and this is to completely remove the system that is on the phone and put it on with a stock version or a fresh version, right? So we need to go in download mode. So what we need to do here, we need to use the home button, the volume down, and also the power. So hold those buttons together. When you hold those buttons together, you will go to the warning screen. So you hit the volume up button to continue. We are currently in download mode. I just want to let you guys know that in doing this, do this at your own risk. If you are not sure, I recommend that you take your phone to a technician. A lot can happen while trying to flash your device, so I recommend, if you're not sure what you're doing, I'm not responsible for any error that may occur while doing this, right? Yes, you will need a few tools. You will need the Odeon tool. You will also need the Samsung driver as well. So those are what you will be needing. You will be needing the number for your phone as well. You can find this number in your recovery setting. You can use that number to flash your phone. You want to flash your phone with the current version that is on it, as you want to use the PDA number. Look at here, you can see the firmware number here. You need to check in your recovery for that number. So I extracted the files. You need to get these files here as well. I am going to show you exactly how to do this. So we open the Odeon software. When we connect the phone, you should see a blue light there. So the device is now connected, as you can see, and what we need to do, we need to load in these files. You can see the BL, that stands for the boot load. We navigate to the file on the desktop here, S7 Edge. So we are going to put the BL here. We are also going to load CP. This is a CP file here. We are also going to load CSC. Look at right here. And we are also going to load in the AP, which is a system file. And normally this file takes a while to load in. You can see this, the size of this file is over 3 gig. So normally it will take a while for this to load in the software. So this is the phone here, and when it finishes loading up, we are going to flash the device. And yeah, so as I stated, it is actually taking some time. You don't want to do anything with the software, even if it states here not responding. You want to still wait it out. Even though the Odeon says not responding, you want to wait it out. I am actually doing this so you guys can see the procedure and how long it will take. So the file is successfully loaded in, you can see here, and you can no longer see not responding gone at the top of it. So everything is fully functional here in the software, and all we have to do, we just have to click start. You can see here that everything is changing here, and also you can see on the phone as well the progress moving up there. This will actually take some time, a few minutes to complete. So during doing this, you don't want to unplug your phone, and you do not want to close the software. This can actually put your phone in a critical state. So just encouraging you guys to make sure that your phone battery is intact as well, and ensure not to unplug your phone during this procedure. Almost finished. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? So guys, as you can see that it says pass, and you can see that we're finished here. Everything successfully installed, so we can even go ahead and unplug the cable. And as you can see, it is now installed in the system update. So this is actually how we can flash our phone. We have a fresh new system here, and we will be testing to see if we encounter any overheating issue with the device before doing a battery replacement. If we continue experiencing any overheating issues, then we know we have a faulty battery. But first, we encounter some issues with the Android system, so this is why we flash the device. It's unpacking the system, so it will need to install the different apps, those system apps that normally will come with your Samsung Galaxy phone. Just to let you guys know that this will take some time loading up for the very first time, as it is processing the Android system, so it will take some time. So guys, I am on the welcome screen here. As you can see, the phone is working good now, and also I realized that the battery is going down a bit too fast, so there might be some issues with the battery as well. So that's all that we have to do, is to just replace the battery in this device, as the system is good. We encounter an issue on this phone where whereas if we plug in the charger, it would go directly into recovery mode, and that was a sign of a system issue. After flashing the device, I just want to plug in the charger, and I want to take a look at the screen to see if it will go into recovery mode, or if it will show us the percentage and the charging logo. So as you can see here, that the phone is charging, and it is showing us the information of the battery. It is also stating that the phone can be charged wirelessly as well. So with our overheating issue, we have solved part of it. With this phone especially, we need to change the battery. The battery is running down a bit fast, so we are going to change that as well. So this is how you can definitely solve the overheating issue permanently with your device. Guys, my name is Lens. If this video was helpful, subscribe to my channel. Also sound off in the comment section, like and share and all of that good stuff. This is how you can fix the overheating issue with your device. So guys, I hope that this was a helpful one for you, and I'm out.